A first note on the happiness equation. The author seems to be pretty well known. He talks about, in one instance, at one stage, about the fact that he has, I don't know, 1 million visitors per day, or I don't know what period of time, but that's already a lot to his site. He appeared on shows as a successful author. I never heard of him, but what I can say is that there are aspects I like, because he refers to Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi, Martin Seligman, founders of positive psychology, and some of the best professors in the field, Sonia Lubomirsky. However, there is one aspect I didn't really like. He seems to claim at the start of the book that this is the first, that this is he looked around and he didn't find this equation, and to me it sounds to be harsh, ridiculous. Proof he refers to these people and to the findings of many others in the book. I'm thinking the nuns experiment, wherein the autobiographies of nuns have been studied, and those who were positive and happy lived longer, in fact 10 years longer than those who just had a normal, let's say, attitude towards life. And therefore the conclusion that we better be happy, because not only we live longer, but we live a longer happy life. So that makes sense, but so far I'm not really convinced that what he brings is so new. And this boasting, which in this period right after the American elections makes me think of Trump, the ultimate narcissist, king of self-appraisal. It doesn't sound right. I didn't. Well, he has a triangle at one point, and I need to read the rest, the 75%, which is left of the book, to be convinced. Who knows, there might be really new things in there. The known things are excellent, which are to be found so far, but that's not really his contribution. In fact, there's a contradiction, a serious contradiction here. I looked around, I didn't find this is unique, this is the book. But then what I find is excellent work, but the work of Seligman, Csikszentmihalyi, Lubomirsky, and others. And also, referring in fact back to this triangle, he talks about the fact that there's social success, financial success, and personal success. Here he might have some good examples. He thinks quite often, if not always, I think that's his argument, you cannot have one with the other. He gives the example of the Hurt Locker, the movie which won the Academy Awards for Best Picture, I forgot, some 5-7 years ago, maybe more, and only made at the box office something like 17 million in the US. At the same time, some Chipmunks or animation movie made, but not one of the best, one of the like Toy Story or Alvin and the Chipmunks, I don't know. One normal, not sensational animation movie made 219 million. And then he asked the question, which one would you rather make? And he did, he's right with that, in terms of you better have a social success of peers, critics who appreciate your work, and not a financial one, a commercial success. And there are some other examples. I hope this will be a really good book.